Do you speak English? Good morning, ma'am. Where have you come from?
I'm from Chennai, India.
May I have your passport, please?
Here you are.
What is the nature of your visit, business or pleasure?
Pleasure. I'm visiting some friends.
How long are you going to stay in the United Kingdom?
3 weeks.
What is your occupation?
I work as a software engineer at Thomas Consulting Service.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, here it is.
That's fine, thanks. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Good morning. I would like to go Cambridge University. What time does the next train leave?
At 11:35 a.m.
Which platform do I need for the train to Cambridge?
Platform 5.
Is it a direct train?
No, you have to change trains at London Victoria.
How long does it take to get there?
About 2 hours.
I see. One ticket to Cambridge, please.
Single or return, sir?
Single, please. How much is it?
£20, please. Here's your ticket and change, sir.
Thank you very much.